Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you or someone you know love to sketch? I know my 9-year-old does, and this sketch kit by KALOUR is so nice for him to have. My son can draw for hours, and I love supporting them in any hobbies they have that are not on screen. So having this sketch kit, I feel he can learn so many techniques with drawing and sketching, which is what he likes to do. He just likes to draw with pencils. So this comes with a variety of graphite pencils, you have charcoal pencils, you have these little square charcoal sticks that you can draw with. It even has little blenders to help him learn how to blend and learn how to draw more like 3D shapes. It has erasers, it has the sharpening tools you need, and it comes in an amazing carrying case. So I'm not finding pencils all over the place because when he's done drawing, he keeps them all in here, which is really, really nice. So whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, I think you'll really enjoy this and find so many things to help you learn all different kinds of techniques. But that's just our point of view.